Top 5 educational toys to ignite your toddler's curiosity. Best learning toys for 1 to 3-year olds. And this toddler preschool learning toys contain 20 pieces, 10 farm animals, and 10 barns. Animals are suitable for babies' preferences. Each shape is carefully designed, including cat, dog, duck, cow, rabbits, etc. Cute and realistic animals are babies' interesting partners, and they develop fine motor skill. Each small animal can be played as a finger puppet toy. The bottom hole is large enough to fit toddlers' fingers so that animals can be easily put on or taken off. An imaginative finger game exercise babies' hand-eye coordination. Small animals can also fit perfectly into the barns, allowing kids to learn put in, take out, open, and close in the process. Develop their fine motor skills. Great speech therapy toy, perfect for therapy and teaching. And they have Montessori learning toys. Kids can know and learn about 10 different farm animals and identify their characteristics from our toys. The barn lids are printed with the numbers from 1 to 10, and the bodies has dots corresponding to the numbers, and they have the safety first, and this product always adhere to child-friendly design and high quality, and they are perfect for toddler gifts. This STEM toy is suitable for kids as children's day gift, birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, and sock fillers, Easter basket stuffers. If you want to get to know more about this product, you could check the link in the description. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.